Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're not tired of this intro because I kind of like it. But anyways, welcome to another Cape Town video. Guys, I'm in business in that Cape Town. I went to fetch content for days, for weeks. Listen, okay, yes, we had just arrived. We landed around past 2. We got to our hotel past 3 and we changed immediately. We were going out. We were going on the sunset boat cruise. So we were on our way there. We were gonna get it by V&A waterfront. So yes guys, stay tuned for the sunset boat cruise. You know what, I got you. You guys must just share, subscribe, comment, tell your uncles, your aunts, your everybody. Enjoy the video. So guys, I'm not gonna say much on this video. I just want you guys to enjoy the video. I just want you guys to just enjoy everything. I'm not gonna use audios from the main video because they were playing music and you know us. So yeah, that was us choosing the boat we wanted. Yeah, we were negotiating. Hey guys, we took our negotiating skills to Cape Town. Why not? Yo, if you can, please do negotiate. Yes. So yeah, we ended up getting the nice one. Yeah, for way less than it actually is. Yes. You can do that. So yes, that was the boat we're gonna take. I don't know how to read that name. Ingma or whatever. Oh Jesus. Hey, you guys will be out here saying I can't read. Anyways, it's fine. We went in and then we got our complimentary drinks. Yes. Guys, it was cold. I was wearing a polo neck and a jacket. It was very cold. I know that drip is forever, but hey, some of us catch flu very easily. So I was not gonna drip is forever. What, because I was gonna get sick on this trip. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna drip anybody. I'm going to dress up and be warm. I even asked for a blanket. We asked for blankets. Me and my friend were like, dude, don't you guys have blankets? They gave us blankets and everyone was looking at us. I was like, okay guys, you can fetch your flu. We don't want the flu. But anyways, I said I was not gonna speak much. Oh my god, and I am rambling. Anyways, enjoy the video. These people, come on now, come to the video. Let's take the bed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next upload. I think I still have Cape Town content, guys. Yeah, we're still gonna watch this Cape Town until we're tired. Anyways, Thank you for watching. Bye.